without further ado, let's bring up our first startup in the field of connected mobility, Augmensys. Welcome.
Okay. Hello, I'm from Augmensys. We are a startup at the end of the startup phase. We are 5 years on the market already, and we are based in Austria, and we have a subsidiary in Germany and in Brazil. This was just for the World Championship. We founded that one. And what we are doing is we are trying to supply the most productive mobile platform using augmented reality for industry. That means our focus market is the process industry, oil and gas, power, pharma. But we are also starting up since 2 years now to work within the automotive industry. What we are doing is, we have the problem in these areas that there are many documentation systems, different expert systems, and our idea was to consolidate the expert systems to produce the most important data, let's say a set of data like smart data of a pump, and then to send this data to the mobile device. And the entrance, the approach for the data is augmented reality. The user can just use his mobile phone or his tablet or a smart glass and watches around, and then he gets overlaid information. This is your pump. He clicks on this bubble, and then he gets all the data, documents, and he can interact. That means he can do maintenance activities, he can do operator rounds, he can do commissioning, which is a use case we are doing, and of course he can acquire data in an old plant to get a better as-built status. That, as I said, the market is process industry. We are very, very active in Germany. We have clients over here, like our biggest one is BASF. We did the Industry 4.0 project over there, where we have used our augmented reality navigation application and the data providing in one of their sites. And we have also done, now in the last half year, project with automotive, like Dürr. We do commissioning with Dürr or with KUKA. And the really common use cases are commissioning, maintenance, and such use cases. With helmets, we have a project now with Dakri, which is a US-based company with a worker helmet with a see-through glass in. And with this, you can do hands-free, gather your data. You can switch on, switch off pumps. Of course, we are connecting also the DCS system. Yeah, that's more or less what we are doing. And the time is over.
Perfectly timed, Augmensys. Thank you very much for your pitch. We appreciate it. I'll take the mic, and let's bring up the next pitcher, Blickshift. Welcome to the stage. 2.5 minutes on the clock. Good luck.
Imagine the following situation. We record the eye movements of all the drivers out there. We load this eye tracking data together with car sensor data, with connected car data, with context information about the traffic up into a cloud. We analyze the data there. We find correlations between the eye movements of the drivers and the traffic situation. And we predict the future of the driver's behavior. Then we play the results back down to the cars. This would lead to a highly interactive, connected, perceptual, future-predicting driving assistant network. This is not a dream anymore of some startup guys from the university. This can become reality. In a few weeks, we will roll out our revolutionary new eye tracking analysis software called Blickshift Analytics. The magic of Blickshift Analytics is called visual analytics. It's a combination of highly interactive visualizations and automatic pattern recognition algorithms. And our customers in the automotive industry, the suppliers, the research institutes can analyze very large eye tracking data sets very efficiently with our software. Around Blickshift Analytics, we have built our business model, compromising licensing our software, developing customized components, providing consultancy, and performing user studies. We believe that with our algorithms, technologies, products, and services, we can make driving safer with a better comfort. And one more thing, in an aging society, we will enable elder people to stay longer mobile during their lives. And this means freedom for millions of people. We open the door to a new world of exciting new business models based on perceptual information. And the platform for delivering, managing, and analyzing this perceptual information will come from Blickshift. Thank you very much.
All right, Blickshift finishing ahead of schedule. Thank you very much for your pitch. Up next, we have insider navigation, and we have 2 pitchers for this one. Who gets the mic? You? Yes. Welcome to the stage. 2.5 minutes on the clock.
It's on? Yeah. Hi, my name is Marcel. I am the COO of Insider Navigation, and this lovely guy is Sergio, our user experience expert. We all love Google Maps to navigate, and we all know it doesn't work inside buildings. But Insider Navigation has built a product which will completely change how you will find your way inside of big buildings. Insider Navigation is an augmented, reality-based indoor navigation solution. So think of it, Pokemon Go meets your TomTom navigator. So imagine you are at the airport, rushing through your gate, and you don't know if you will make it on time. You pull out your phone, and Insider Navigation will show you the right direction through your gate via virtual arrows through your camera. And the walking time let you know that you still have enough time even for shopping. And since you are walking with your head up and not down, you do not bump into other visitors or an angry security guy. And on your way, right before you fly to Ibiza, you will get personalized, very helpful offers. To all, sorry. And that's pretty cool for visitors, but also for tenants and operators, because using augmented reality for indoor navigation offers tenants new marketing possibilities, and monthly cashback for operators is guaranteed because we turn the whole building into an interactive entertainment and advertising hotspot. To all technic nerds here, our optical tracking technology works without any additional hardware, and it is very accurate down to a millimeter. To all investors, we did a bunch of demo implementations in Heathrow Airport and Dubai Airport, just to say a few. And our first customer will be the Landesmuseum in Zurich, which will go online end of this year. And due to that fact, we are confident that Insider Navigation will rock the indoor navigation market. Many thanks.
Thank you for rocking the innovation stage, Insider Navigation. We appreciate your pitch. And we have just one more pitch on the topic of connected mobility. Please welcome Kinemic.
Thanks.
Thank you.
So, hi, I'm Christoph from Kinemic, and we enable hands-free interaction with all kinds of digital devices by using gestures. Our software uses wristbands like this one, or you can do it with any smartwatch that contains the motion sensors. We measure hand motion with the wristband, and then we can recognize certain gestures. For example, you can swipe through a menu, you can scroll on a map, or you can even enter text into the system hands-free by writing simply in the air. So by this, we allow to control any kind of digital devices from classical terminal to smartwatches, but especially also augmented reality and smart glasses. Our customers are currently large German companies that want to explore innovative input possibilities and work towards integration of smart glasses into their processes. We also have a development cooperation with Stabilo, with whom we are developing a smart pen that utilizes our text recognition software. So from the many talks with industry leaders, practitioners, and especially users, we know that although a lot of companies want to integrate smart glasses into their processes, input and interaction is still a big problem. Either you have small knobs on the glasses or a small touch screen, which is hard to control with a glove, or you have to use speech recognition, which is fine if it works, but it doesn't often work in industrial settings where it's very noisy. So that's where we attack. we believe that our solution makes it easier and better to control such systems. We started out a year ago as a team. We built on university research. We founded the company half a year ago. We're now setting up the first industry pilot projects. And next year we're going to release our SDK that will enable other companies to use our gesture recognition software. We're mainly IT guys, with one of the founders having a business background. And to sum it up, Kinemic is building a cornerstone technology for the next generation of digital devices. If you don't believe it, come to our booth and you can try it out. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Kinemic. So some very exciting startups in the field of connected mobility. If you want to talk to any of them, they all, I believe, have stands over here in the conference hall. They will be happy to talk to you about how you can invest your money in their ideas. Thank you very much to our startups.